When you create with Cricut, you're not just making something new, you're also creating a one-of-a-kind celebration, full of surprise. A new houseplant that anyone can keep alive. A small business out of a DIY hobby. A space for love and a happy place to wipe your feet. Something for work from home and when it's just home. And even your own sanity. Because with Cricut, what you make makes you, and in turn makes the world around you. So whether it's the scary times or the you're about to be stuck with me for lifetimes,
Nice.
make every time with Cricut.